With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, we have a question here. Curative technique involving in repairing or replacement of defective genes is option 1 gene therapy, option 2 gene replacement therapy, option 3 antisense therapy, and option 4 sense therapy. Alright, so what is basically the technique that is used for replacing or repairing the defective gene is gene therapy. Gene therapy. Alright, now in this gene therapy, suppose if an organism, if any living being have a defective gene, basically the defective part of DNA, alright, that codes for something. So if someone has a defective gene, that this defective gene can be repaired if possible, and if cannot be possible, then can be replaced by a normal gene. Alright, repaired to become a normal gene and replaced by a normal gene. In both conditions, the final case will be a normal gene, normal functioning gene. Alright, so this is gene therapy. So the correct option would be option 1. Alright, gene replacement therapy is specifically for the replacement process. Alright, in the question we have both repairing and replacement, so it will be not gene replacement therapy. Antisense and sense therapy are for RNA. Alright, but gene is a part of DNA, so this therapy is for DNA. So the correct answer of the above question will be option 1. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.